Yo guys, what's up? My name is maskgraphics, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to create an awesome Fortnite thumbnail. So first we have to find our skin render, and there's a site called fnbr.co where you can find renders of skins, but also other things like backblinks and gliders if you need some. And as you downloaded your renders, you will need a background, and therefore you can easily go to Google search and just type in like Fortnite and go to images and search a background. Back in Photoshop we are going to create a new file, so create new, which should be about 1280 by 720. You could also make 1920 by 1080 for higher resolution, but sometimes there's an issue with YouTube if you upload, so to be safe just use the lower resolution and click OK. Now you have to add the background and the render to your workspace. Put your render above the background, but we will hide it for now. First we are going to add a Gaussian blur to the background to put the focus on the text that we will add later on. So you have to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and put the ratio to about 5 and press OK. Now you have to click here to show the skin render. Create a new layer above your skin render, and click on this icon to move her around, and put her in the corner of your thumbnail. You can scale it up. If you want, you can rotate her like this. So create a new layer above the background. Press B on your keyboard or just click on this icon and select black, and make sure to equip a light brush, and you can size your brush here. Then paint everything black. Make a new layer, select the color of your skin, for me it's red, and paint everything behind the character with this color. If like here there's a color which isn't red, then just pick the color and paint it this color behind your skin. Now put the opacity of this one to 20%, this, and put the opacity of the black layer to 80%, like this. Now press T on your keyboard to equip the text tool, and left click somewhere on your workspace, and then type in the text you want. Take a white color so that you can see your text. And then go to fonts, and I'm going to use I'm going to use the Fortnite font, which is Burbank. A link to this font you can find in the description. Then you can scale it up as you like, because the focus should be on the text. Then double click on the text layer and add inner glow, inner shadow and drop shadow and gradient overlay. For the gradient overlay you can pick just the same colors as in your skin. Click on these and select the orange, and for this select the red one and press OK, and you should get something like this. You can just copy these settings just as inner glow and inner shadow, and for drop shadow you can copy these settings too, but sometimes you have to play around with the size. For me this works pretty good, and just the same with the other. Then click on all of your text layers and click rasterize layer style. Now you should have normal layers, and you can't edit your text anymore, so make sure that everything is spelled right. And now you can go ahead and scale and rotate it just as you like. This. And now select everything and click on merge layers. Now you're pretty much done, just some last effects and of course CCs, and for that I'm using the Zivra Insanity pack. So I opened up the pack. The link to the pack will be in the description. Then just close this layer and go to the CCs, grab the whole thing and import it into your workspace. And then go to effects and search for some effects. I like this one, this one for example. Your layers into your workspace. And then you might be able to change the color. So as you placed your effects as you wanted, just open up this CC folder and delete this layer. And now you can search for your CCs. And yes guys, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, leave a thumb up and make sure to activate the bell to not miss out on any following tutorials. So see you in the next one.